Hello everyone. Hi, my name is Prathamesh, founder and CEO of PTNXTI. Today in this video, I'm just going to show you how I build a chatbot solutions system that help to businesses to getting confirm appointments, engage leads, and handle customer query and concerns automatically within just 1 minute. Our bot connect with customer within just 1 minute, and also I walk through it how it's work, how we can save our time and money on real time scenario, and how we can use it too. Let's get start. Yeah, guys, this is all about our chatbots, and now we will look to how our chatbots work in real-time scenario when customer wanted to connect with us and asking some queries. This time we will look checking our loan eligibility. Okay, just check here. Yeah. This is message generated automatically generated from our chatbots. Hello, thank you for calling Citadels. This is Aura. We help check your loan eligibility. This call may be recorded and quality purposes and training purpose. So just they I want to connect with you for checking my loan eligibility. Yeah. To get started, they asking to me my full name and register mobile number. My full name is Prathamesh Vams and mobile number is 7038089207. Okay. Okay. This is message generated from our bot. They asking to me which type of loan I look. I look to business loan. Got it. You are looking for a business loan. May I know your monthly income? They asking to me my monthly income. Just my monthly income is 70 to 80,000. 80,000. Thank you. Are you self-employed? They're asking to me self-employed or business owner. Just I recently uh, I have self-employed and looking for business owner. Just got it. You are self-employed and planning to expand as a business owner. Do you currently have any existing loan or EMI? No, I don't have. No, I don't have any existing loan. Understood. Uh, Lastly, now do you know your approximate credit score? Actually, I don't have any idea, and just I don't have any idea about this one. Firstly, I want to um, communicate with bank, and then I will let you know. Okay, no problem. Prathamesh, based on your details you shared, we will process with evaluate. They want to evaluate my loan eligibility. Once they evaluate, they will let you know. Requirement in details. Is there anything else I can assist to you today? No, I don't any assist requirement. Is any require today? Thank you for calling Citadel. Prathamesh, you have further questions, feel free. Visit our website or call us again. Have a great day. Okay, thanks. Okay. Yeah, they provide me end call functions. Okay, fine. Successfully completed. Please analyze the conversation and okay, fine. So guys, this is how our bots work. I just now I want to now I want to look for the how our bot I build. Just I want to see uh, to you. Yeah, this is all my bots instruction that I gave um, to channel channel name. You know that opening for us from calling from Citadels. This is Aura. This is set of instructions of my last client that I mentioned here. I have your full names. Just this type of question bot asking to customer, and if anything want to be changed, then we can easily change yeah, in the set of instructions, and you know that just if we want to any uh, mm, in chatting chatting details like customer name, mobile numbers, and any kind of the customer provide details, if we want, then we can easily by using this function end call functions, uh, we easily get the details. End call functions, post call analysis. In the post call analysis, I mention here key patient name, uh, not a patient names, just this is the details that I mentioned. Customer name, customer phone numbers, assignment, appointment date, time, and etc. um, and webbook URL. Webbook URL, yeah, it's a very most important thing that I mention here. Via this webbook URL, we get the within chatting details. You know that customer, what customer provide to us. That all kind of the details we easily get from the via webhook. Okay, and this is fallback settings. Fallback settings generally used for the if this agent not will able to connect to customer at the moment. In that times, in that scenarios, a fallback agent connect with them and will give an solutions according to customer want. And knowledge base generally used for the outbound cases. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching it. It is just quick overview of my product, how it work and how I build my product. If you are interested learning more things about it, just feel free and connect with me. I have already mentioned all my details in the description below. And more important thing, don't forget like, comment, subscribe to my channel to get in more update about it. I come with every week getting different solutions and with different solutions with different businesses. In my previous video, I already may share about client video. Firstly, I share with you client review, and after that share about the voice bot, how our voice bot work in real time scenario. And this time I just come with you chatbot solutions that help increase leads by using AI techniques. We specialize in AI automation services, including customer service, inbound and outbound, both the processes. In the next video, I will showcase another one problems and how we can overcome with that. Thank you for watching it. Thank you again, and I will see you in the next video.